signals are controlled by a wireless remote featuring 3 turn signal functions: a left turn signal, a right turn signal, and a double flashing function to signal the cyclist is continuing straight on. These features, usually seen on motorcycles, add extra safety and convenience for the vulnerable cyclist. The wireless remote attaches to handlebars, which can easily be transferred between bikes. The helmet senses deceleration caused by braking and illuminates both turn signals, which acts as a brake light. Waterproof features allow it to be used even in rainy weather. The turn signal safety helmet has passed the American and European CE, EN 1078, AS, NS, and NZS helmet safety test standards. Wireless LED steering signals have all passed CE, LVD, plus EMC, FCC, UL, and ROHS certification.